Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for Friday, the 15th day of September 2017, as there has been a lot of volatility within these markets as they have had this huge move down to 29.71, about $9 lower than where this high was. So the market has came back to where it has came from since breaking this resistance. Quick move lower. Like I stated, there really wasn't much key areas within this area, and it has shown to be the case. I hear all the people freaking out and all the anti-people, all the bears against Bitcoin saying the Ponzi scheme is revealed. And it doesn't help when they look at the linear charts, seeing charts looking like the following. And it doesn't look too bad, but it does look a little worse. I could almost assure you, if it were to come down to this lower level, and here would be a lot of panic going on. Whereas for me, looking at this weekly chart coming down into here, I'd be very concerned, but we'll expand it out further to the reason why. However, this market has made a move to the 18 average of lows, like it did here, like it did here. It almost made it to the 18 of lows in here. So therefore, every single time in 2017, this is the fourth one in which it has made a move down to at or close to it. It has bottomed pretty much in that area and then has risen higher. We'll see if the follow-throughs will be around the same. We can see this was a follow-through from the low, this was a follow-through, and this again was the follow-through. The market did come from back in 2014, this area here. An area from when this bull market started around the 200 area has not had any major correction because the 18 average, as stated, has held every single time. So Fibonacci retracements would state that from the 200 and 500 area or 5,000 areas, I got 1462 and 2339 as the next key levels. So technically speaking, any move in here becomes a very small correction. And then, of course, if it comes back down to here, that's just a normal 38.2% down retracement. On the monthly chart, 2300 represents the 18 average of highs right now, 1450 the 18 average of lows. And that would be a standard correction if it's ready to do such. We are in a mode of volatility extreme within this 15-minute time frame after this major decline. Now it's had this move from the 3,000 up to 3,400 in about an hour or so. So if this thing is going to correct, it's going to be very important within this 18 average and, of course, this established resistance. And the markets are wild everywhere. 15-minute time frame on Litecoin looks like this. I'll cover this later on in the day when I have more time, but there's a lot of trading that's available, and for me, with everything that's went on, here's them telling me this is what you got to do today. You got a lot of work, because when markets get like this, that creates a lot of opportunities for trading. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later on.